G'day everyone, this is the sound demo for the Tubescreamer. I've just done the build report and this is the sound demo. I'm not going to compare it. I've already actually done a comparison with some other overdrives and commented on that. I'm just going to show you a sound demo just of the pedal on its own, yeah, just so you can hear what it sounds like. It's the Tonepad layout. If you want to build one, go to tonepad.com. He's got a lot of layouts there that you can etch and build your own effects with. So let's get straight into the sound demo.